Now we move into one of my favorite parts, ideation. This is where creativity meets strategy. But here's the thing, most designers, when they hear the word ideate, start sketching random ideas immediately. That's not what we're doing here. In a whiteboard challenge, your goal is not to show how artistic you are, but how structured your creativity is. And that's where the how might we approach comes in, a simple but powerful way to turn insights into action. Start by reframing your understanding into opportunities. Ask, how might we simplify this experience? How might we reduce the user's mental load? How might we make the process more trustworthy or seamless? Let's go back to our example, Ashmit, the busy parent managing school communications. We already know his problem, scattered messages, lost updates, confusion. Now let's think of how we can help him. It could be, how might we give parents a single dashboard to see all school updates? How might we help them prioritize messages, urgent versus informational? How might we notify them with gentle reminders, not spammy alerts? Each how might we statement unlocks a door to creativity, but notice how it's anchored in empathy. We're not just brainstorming random ideas, we're solving his specific problem. When you write your ideas on the whiteboard, keep them short, human, and outcome focused. You can even sketch 2 or 3 variations to show your breadth of thinking. Now, once you've explored the how, go back and ask why. But this time, why this solution? Why would users choose it? Why is it better than what exists today? And why is it feasible for the business? This second why helps you filter ideas and decide what to move forward with. It's your checkpoint to show that you're not just creative, you're strategic. Continuing our example, let's say you propose a mobile-first dashboard for school updates. Why does that make sense? Because it aligns with real behavior. Ashmit checks his phone while commuting. It reduces friction, saves time, and helps him stay emotionally connected to his child's education. And for the school, it means fewer missed communications and happier parents, a retention win. You can say something like, since Ashmit checks his phone most often on the go, I'll design a mobile-first dashboard that shows all updates in one clean list with reminders and read receipts. This reduces confusion and builds trust. That's how you move from chaos to clarity. A quick tip here for you. Don't just say your idea. Draw it. A quick sketch of layout or flow is more powerful than words. Use boxes, arrows, and simple icons. Think functionality, not polish. So remember, ideation isn't about drawing the fanciest screens. It's about showing how your thinking flows from insight to intention. You're not just sketching solutions, you're deciding direction. And when you connect the how with the why, you show interviewers something rare. A designer who doesn't just create but reasons. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.